It's right behind my house. Coming out to see how flooded it is. I live right over there. See that? That's where I'm at. This is all their farmland. It goes to this farm I live on. Actually looks worse on down the road. Not too bad out of banks up here yet, but by the time it gets dark, it'll probably be. This is Yellow Creek. Behind my house. My house is right over there. But that's the creek. Oh my. Oh my gosh. It's huge. I come down the road in the truck from my house, and this is supposed to be a tiny creek. It looks like a river. We'll take you on a tour of the flood. Here's the truck, there's the water. You can go faster. This is Yellow Creek. My goodness. Oh my word. I'll stop this one. We got to get on down further. I'll do it some more. The farmers are out here having to move their machinery to higher ground. Yellow Creek, you are not going to believe it, has surrounded my house. It's to the front corner here. See y'all out through there? I don't have a light to show you, but we got the chickens moved, we got the wolf moved. I don't know Gary's seen a bunch of my cats go across the road towards the barn, so they'll be in safety. I do have one of my cats high in a tree behind my house, and we can't get to her. They tried for like 15 minutes, and they can't get to her, and the water's like 6 to 8 foot deep under the trees now, so need prayers that we'll get through this night. I never would have thought this place would flood. Yellow Creek Bridge, if you look at the videos I made earlier today where the water was, when my son went out and saw all this, it was like a foot. It liked about a foot before going over the top of that bridge. So now, you know, it's probably over it. That's been a couple hours ago. And on this, good Lord, help us. You can't see back here, but this is the garage, and the flood has surrounded it. It's not up on it yet, but I'm trying to see if I can get you where you can see back there. I can't make you see it, but it's up to the back steps, the back of the house at the back door. Please keep us uplifted in prayer tonight. I don't know what's going to happen. And pray that my cat lives through the night and I can get her down soon. Tomorrow sometime. And guess what? See that building there? All my belongings. My cat's in a tree. Just keep us in your prayers. Thanks, everybody. God bless. My cat was in the flood. And she managed to get down out of the tree and go through like 6 foot deep water. Got into the wolf shed and up on a door I had leaned against the side. So she's up on the side of it, and my roommate went out for me when the water started receding. So he was only in up to his knees inside of Lucian's shed. Is all flooded. But I treated her to some chicken for a treat. So I just wanted to show you my little miracle. Tonight, the flood water is receding. Thank you, Jesus.